Hey everybody, it's Jennifer Labre. Today I've got a brand new card for you. I hope you will like it. It's called Life is So Much Better with You in It. This beautiful card here. It's got some sparkle. And it's going to use our Pop of Petals stamp set, the coordinating punch, as well as petal palette for the saying. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab some the Blackberry Bliss cardstock. And we're just going to fold that in half. Set that aside for right now. Okay, next we're going to take a piece of 5 1/2 by 2 inch Whisper White cardstock. And I'm going to grab a scratch piece of paper just in case. And then we're going to open up our stamp set and get the little leafy vine. We're using our C block today. We'll grab some Old Olive ink. And we're just going to stamp 2 of these about in the middle. Okay? That little mark doesn't matter because we're going to cover it up with the flowers. Let's clean this off with my stamping scrub. Put that back. And we might as well grab the sentiment right away from Petal Palette. For this, we're going to use the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Here we go. Turn it off. And we're done with that set. Okay, we'll set this aside for right now. And we're going to take some scratch paper. And we're going to take this flower from the Pop of Petals, the one that's got the lines in here, but you could really use any of the flowers. I just like this because we're going to end up putting a rhinestone right in the middle, and I think it looks really sharp. So this is the one I'm going to use. And again, we're going to stamp with the Memento Tuxedo Black. We're just going to stamp 3 flowers. Okay. Now we're done with that set for now. Okay, now we're going to grab our punch, open it up. We're going to just line it up. Let's see. There we go. Is that right? Sometimes it takes a minute just to find out where it lines up correctly, but as you can see, that's where it is. Just punch that out. I'm going to cut this off so it's easier to punch. Okay, cut it off one more time. As you can see, I cut a little bit of the flower off, but that's okay. I'll just line it up in there as best as we can. Okay, we'll close up that punch. Put those to the side. And we're going to take our base and we're going to take 2 of the pearlized doilies. Hopefully you can see there's a bit of a sheen to those. Okay, let's just get these extra pieces out of there. Okay, I'm going to take some of the Tombow multi-liquid glue. This is perfect for little areas. It's got a little pen tip. We're just going to glue a little bit on the back here. Whoops. You don't have to be perfect because it'll dry clear. And we'll just place that right about there. Okay, let's grab the other one. And we'll place this one right there. Like I said, it doesn't matter with the glue because it's going to dry clear for us. Okay, I'm done with that. Next up, we're going to pop on our flowers. To do this, we're going to use our Stampin' Dimensionals. So we'll grab the first flower. And just put it right there. My hands are sticky from the glue. And the next one. Just put right there. And then this last one, I'm going to use 2 of the dimensionals. So that gives it a little bit of extra height. So we'll just take that off. And then put another one on top, right on top of it. Okay. We're going to turn that over. And we're going to pop this up with some dimensionals as well. We're going to take this and put it just about in the center of the card. Okay. And finally, we're going to take our rhinestones, our rhinestone basic jewels. I'm going to use a tweezers to just pull it off. Maybe. Oh, flipped over on me. And we'll put it right in the center of that flower. These are the small rhinestones I'm using, but you could also use the bigger ones if you wanted. Okay. One more. That one I don't think has any adhesive on it. Let's grab another one. we go. What I like about the tweezers is that you can really move things into place with that. Okay, and there you have it. There's our card. Life is so much better with you in it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. For all the products and for additional information, please feel free to check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.